Alrighty, everybody, Michael Alder here, sharing with you a quick strategy you can use to build a profitable niche website or a niche channel on YouTube. So, in this example, we're just pulling this one out of thin air here and going with it. Let's say you're all about hermit crabs and you want to build a profitable channel on this. So, the first thing I would do is see if there is even an audience for this. So, I would go over let's go to YouTube first. I'm going to search out hermit crabs. See what kind of results we're getting here. Hermit Crab Care, 161,000 views. That's good hits. Amazing Crab Shell Exchange, 6.2 million views. So we're definitely getting some stuff here. Hermit Crab House Shopping. So, it looks like there's definitely an audience. 1.4 million views over 2 years. So far on YouTube, people are definitely watching things on hermit crabs. The next thing I would do is I would go to answer the public and I would search out hermit crab to see if people are even asking questions about hermit crabs here. And right off the bat, we have 167 questions. So this would be your content piece. You can go to YouTube and create a video on every one of these 167 questions on hermit crabs, and you would be the authority on this topic. Then we have 100 prepositions. You can create videos for every one of these. And then 88 comparisons. And this is just on the keyword hermit crab. You could do hermit crab tanks and it would change out the search, hermit crab food. And, you could just build out this mega authority channel on YouTube, answering all the questions that everybody's searching for. So if you were all about hermit crabs and you wanted to build out the channel and you were all about it, then the next thing we have to do is figure out how you're going to profit. And actually, before you do that, I would also stop at the Google Keyword Planner tool, and I would search what keywords people are looking for that have under 1,000 searches per month, so you can really niche in on it and just make hundreds upon hundreds of videos on this one niche and be the authority person in it. So let's say you want to move forward, you're all about it, you're passionate about talking about hermit crabs all day long. You could create all these videos about them. Now we have to go ahead and build a site, and we are going to be super simple about this. So I went to GoDaddy, and I just threw in the word crabbyhermit.com. That's the first thing that came to mind. It's available for $2,200. We're not doing that. We are just testing things out here. But you can go to thecrabbyhermit.com for only $12 and buy that. So I would buy that domain. And what I would do is go to a resource like Lead Pages or ClickFunnels. Lead Pages I like more because it's easier, I think, to build them out. And you can test several funnels, make these really basic funnels versus ClickFunnels. That's $100 a month. And, people say, well, go Shopify. If the first site doesn't work, you have to keep changing it out or to split test. It just gets expensive fast. So Lead Pages is super easy to use and super affordable. So they have a 14-day free trial, and then it's $20 a month after that. And what I would do is just build out a super basic funnel. So we have a niche channel we're working on called Carpet Expert Blueprint, and it's all about flooring installations, different tools you use, like every aspect of the flooring industry we're covering on this channel. This is what we're using to get our subscribers, and it converts. Super basic opt-in page. Enter for a chance to win a DIY toolkit on all of our videos. We basically shout out at the end, we're giving away this, that, the other. It cost me about $20 a week to put together these basic toolkits. People opt in like crazy, and it's well worth the investment to get the opt-ins. So people go ahead and they opt in here, and then this is where it gets interesting. This is our thank you page right after they opt in. And, we thank you for opting in. We pick a random subscriber every other Friday, send them some slick tools. In the meantime, click here to shop some insane deals on installation tools. You click there. This is our affiliate link to eBay, because installation tools in the carpet industry sell well on eBay and actually convert. So we send our opt-in subscribers here to see if they're interested in buying any tools, getting deals on them in the meantime. And we get a commission if any of these convert. So if you went into the hermit crab niche, you would just build out a super basic funnel doing the same exact thing. And then I would go to Amazon or the eBay Partner Network, open up an account there so you can go ahead and get some affiliate links for the hermit crabs and start promoting just like that. Now, what I would do is go, one second, we got that. Let's go to see what eBay has to offer on hermit crabs. So search out hermit crab. So they got shells, signs, tanks. So like $167 there. People are really about it. You get a nice commission off of that. Different shells. So here's all sorts of things you could promote here. If you were join the eBay partner network and wanted to promote out the hermit crab niche, we could also go to, let's go to Amazon. You get live hermit crabs on Amazon. We got nice little tanks here. So if you did an affiliate link for Amazon and just sent your traffic right to these pages here, as people opted in, send them, search them right away, you can get paid on affiliate income. Now, the other way you could do this, if you really are the authority channel on YouTube and you're creating all the content on hermit crabs, once your subscriber base gets big enough and you have a big enough view count, you can go ahead and turn on ads on your sites as well. So let's see where we got, see if the hobby kids are running ads here.
So I just created this little website, Wix. Let me show you how.
So Wix is running ads on their channel. They have 3 million subscribers. This is hobby kids, though. They're not just in the hermit crab niche, but it just gives you.
I'm Carrie Peterson. This is Aiden.
So it gives you an idea of the possibilities of building out these authority niche channels. Now, obviously, it doesn't have to be hermit crabs. If we go back to answer the public, I don't even know. Let's see here. Like here's a couple of searches we were doing here. Oscillating multi-tool. Let's get some questions on it. Let's say you're all about the tool niche and you wanted to build out authority channels on tools. We got 25 questions here, so not as big of a demand, but still, you could start off with that and then you could tweak the words. You got 76 prepositions, and now we're getting somewhere. You could create more content on that. So obviously the hermit crab thing is just something I pulled out of thin air to show you how to build these profitable niche channels and sites and how to create a small funnel. But really, you could search out anything here. As long as there's enough questions and you can be the authority on these small niches, you can become profitable. So for more tips and tricks on this, be sure to subscribe and drop by takingactiontoday.com. There'll be a link in the description there. We're giving away a copy of Gary Vaynerchuk's book, Crushing It, this week, and then there'll be a new book next week. So